Hi, I'm Jodi-Anne, a wellbeing educator and healing facilitator. I've channeled over 100 answers to questions about life. These have been recorded through automatic writing, answering a broad range of questions about life and how it works, and how we can be peaceful and happy. Today's topic is, how do you accept where people are at? Join me as we explore this topic and go deep within to heal and find peace. Now, I channeled this blog at a time when people were being quite judgmental about others, and I was asking Spirit about the evolutionary process and how we all go through it in different ways. And I wanted insight into how it works and why. And this is what they told me. Amongst your community, there are many people that may have a low level of awareness, but that doesn't make them wrong or less than you or others that do have more insight and awareness into the bigger picture of life and the larger reasons for what is occurring. All beings are exactly where they need to be for their evolution and growth. All are awakening and becoming conscious at the rate that is best for them. Some who appear less conscious actually are highly evolved beings that have chosen a particularly hard life path to attempt to master a particular skill. So you cannot tell someone's level of awareness by looking at them or analysing them with your mind. You can only glimpse it through your heart, through witnessing their heart in action, their vibration, and their kindness to other beings. Those that are lofty in knowledge are not necessarily living that knowledge. They may not have embodied it. So they may know what it means to be aware, conscious, godlike beings, but it doesn't mean they're actually doing it, being it, breathing it, and embodying it. They will in time. That might be what they're here to learn and do. Often, gaining a lot of knowledge occurs because there's deep pain that needs to be released, and they can be avoiding feeling and releasing it by staying stuck in their heads, in their minds, learning, not going into their bodies where the pain is located. In time, when they're ready, they will drop down into their body to feel the pain, to release it and balance back up. Everyone does this when they finally feel safe enough, loved enough, and trusting enough that they're going to cope and come out the other side. And it takes time to build emotional awareness and the ability to feel what's truly going on inside, to drop down and listen, to feel into that inner silence. And it takes courage, a lot of courage, to allow forth that which needs your presence and allowing it to surface from within you so that you can feel it, release it, and have freedom. To do it sooner than you're truly ready for just results in overwhelm, in fear, re-traumatization, and disillusion. That's why our bodies have used the defense mechanisms and pushed the pain down, because it was too much to face. So it has to come up slowly when the person's ready and strong enough to process it. To push too far before you have the ability to process it safely harms the body, because you reattach to the emotion and the story instead of just witnessing it and letting it go. People need to learn the skills of how to process and release it first. They need to learn how to sit in the pain and not own it or be taken over by it, to be able to just let it float by, to witness it and allow it to shift. They need to learn to trust life to hold them and care for them and to provide for them. And all of this only gets learned through the experience of synchronicities and life's majestic gifts. When things happen unexplainably, showing you that there is a bigger plan unfolding and that you're just one small part of that. Reading about it, learning about it, getting it as a knowledge is not the same as having it as a knowing within. And so people can't be told about it. and embody it. They have to actually experience it, and that takes time. This is why you can plant seeds of awareness, but you can't make it blossom. Life is going to do that. And it takes each plant a different amount of time, water, love, and growth to do it. So, as an educator or helper, the best thing you can do is to share your story, your experiences of the mysteries of life and the synchronicities that you've experienced, to give another hope, inspiration, and a little more faith and trust. Then let go, let God, let them be, knowing that life will lead them forth. Life will provide them with their own miracles and insights to open their hearts and to let them heal. You can't make it happen. You can't rescue or fix anyone. God, the divine, the universe, whatever you want to call it, that will do it perfectly at the right time for that person. So don't lose sleep worrying about others or trying to figure out how to help them realize the truth or release their pain. Life will do it. Each will form their own version of truth based on their experiences. Life will guide them forth. The best that you can do is to vibrate in as close a state of love and acceptance as you can. Then your energy will help to uplift theirs, and you can hold that space for their awakening to life and its larger mysteries. Just love and accept them, and know that they'll be led forth to their magnificence when the time is right. Thanks for watching this short video on how to accept where people are at. I hope you've found it interesting and insightful. It's my aim to empower people with the skills and knowledge to walk their healing journeys as gently and as peacefully as possible. There are over 100 of these answers to questions about life available for free on the Life Insights page of my website. Please visit to learn more about the healing journey and ways to live peacefully and happily. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.